Today we're going to be looking at this Linkind smart plug. I'm going to be showing you what's inside the box, setting it up and demoing it for you, and giving you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This is a 2-pack that works with both your Google devices as well as your Alexa devices. In the box, we're going to have the operation manual and both of the smart plugs. The app is called AI Dot. You're going to need to install it. There's a little button on the side that you're going to push in order to set this up. When it's ready to be paired, the light will be flashing orange and green. I have successfully paired these lights with this plug. Alexa, turn on fall lights. Alexa, turn off fall lights. Alexa, turn on fall lights. I love smart plugs. Overall, these plugs were super easy to set up. It took me less than 5 minutes to get them paired. I'm really impressed because I have other brands that took way longer and were way more complicated to set up. So these ones were super easy.